Hello and welcome to the Philippines. Today we're looking at the Alcoves connected to Ayala Mall in Cebu City. Higher end project, very convenient. That should open in 2020, I think the third quarter.
So, on the first three floors is the mall.
Okay, that's the mall, all right.
On the fourth floor, we have the pool. So residential level starts on the fifth floor.
Okay.
So the fourth floor is the lobby. And then on the 35th floor, we have the lap pool and the gym.
30,
So the gym would be
35th floor, okay. Lap pool and the gym.
commons area. That's commons area.
All right. Very nice.
And over here, if you see this is a 2,500 square meter garden.
Okay, garden area. All right. And you have parking? Parking available?
If you see the difference here, the one bedroom there, the parking is separate. For here, it's already included.
Included, one parking
That's
spot?
the good thing about this.
Okay, because parking is usually about $1 million,
1.4 right now.
1.4 million for a parking spot? Okay. But it's included in the price here,
Yeah,
okay.
it's included here.
Very
There you
good.
have to buy it separately.
Okay, and what's the ratio of studios, one bedrooms, two bedrooms? Do you know?
Okay, for the other brand Alteo, we offer a studio there. For Premier, we always start with one bedroom.
One bedroom here, okay.
So what we have here is one bedroom, two bedroom, and three bedroom.
And three bedroom, okay. And I read someplace you have a Japanese style also? Japanese style?
Yes, we offer that. That's what we call the one bedroom zen.
Oh, okay, a different type of CR bathroom?
The bathroom would be the Japanese layout.
Okay,
Just the bathroom.
all right.
Just
Okay,
right up front
so
like that.
Selenia's over here, right?
Yes.
And here is Alcoves.
Park Point, the Alcoves.
Okay, so this is Park Point, this is Alcoves,
It's Ayala Mall.
and that's Ayala Mall.
We are here right now.
All right. And it's connected at floor, what floor? You just go down the elevator from Alcoves
It's
to,
attached to the mall.
okay.
The metro.
And this is the new metro
Yes.
they're building, okay. All right, very good.
Apparently, for the Alcoves here, we don't have a unit for a one bedroom,
Okay,
but I can show you just the estimated
this
size.
is two bedroom?
Yeah. We call it the Grand Corner Suite two bedroom unit.
All right,
It's 136 square meters.
136 square
It's really
meters. Okay. So 1,442 square feet.
Yep.
Okay. With and the balcony area is up to 8 square meters.
Yeah, it's a
Or 80,
corner
86.
balcony. It's a wraparound balcony.
Okay.
So if you can see the finishes, it's really different.
All right.
This one also comes with the one in the Alveo, sir. The split type is separated. For here, it's included.
The split type aircon is included here. Okay. All right. Nice size.
So the balcony would start from there over there to over there.
Okay, the balcony would start
It's a wrap-
over on that side, would surround all the way around. I've seen that as I've looked at the area from outside.
Yeah,
They're
it
building
is.
that, so.
So for the two bedroom grand corners here, actually, you can make it into a three bedroom because the third bedroom would be a maid's quarter.
Oh,
If you don't have a
okay.
maid, then you can make that as a guest room.
Okay.
Total of 4 bathrooms.
Or it could be the mistress room. All right, and bedrooms are down here?
Yes, sir. Bedrooms are
All right.
Master's bedroom would be this one. Secondary bedroom would be this.
All right.
Walk-in closet.
Walk-in closet there. Okay. Are those included?
Yes, sir.
The built-in walk-in closets? Okay.
It's really big. So one bedroom would be something like just a bedroom would be like this. Estimated.
Okay.
So yeah, this is
And the CR.
yeah. So what we have here, sir, is, remember I told you we have two kinds of one bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
We have the one bedroom classic and the one bedroom zen.
Mm-hmm.
For the classic, it's just the normal toilet, which is this one, the shower.
Okay.
For the zen, bathtub.
Okay.
Yeah, so you have two choices.
Those are the differences.
Yes.
The Zen.
And the bathtub is the layout for it is the Japanese layout.
Japanese.
And you can change that if you don't like the Japanese.
Oh, right,
layout.
right.
Because once you get the unit turned over to you, you can change it like
Whatever you want.
yeah, whatever you want.
Right.
Depends on your taste.
Okay. And the balcony come around here too, or
No,
not?
only over there.
Oh, only over there. Okay. All right.
And then the secondary bedroom, another kind of style.
Okay. Much bigger than your average
Yeah.
second bedroom. This is bigger than most master bedrooms in other condominiums.
Yeah. For the premieres, they really offer the space.
Yeah.
It's important. The space.
And we have windows. You have windows where they show windows.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And they're again built-in
Yes.
cabinets.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
For this unit, there's 3 split type aircons.
3.
For this unit.
Okay, for this unit you get
Included.
3 split type aircon
And
included,
parking slot.
plus a parking spot, which is worth about $1.5 million.
These are supposed to be finished in, I think, the third quarter of 2020. Here in October of 2019, when I'm doing this, I believe they have a few units left. Of course, you all also have the resale market. I actually did a video about this over like 2.5 years ago, I believe. And a one bedroom unit then was selling for 8 to 9 million. And what happens as projects get built, they generally every 6 months or so they go up in price. So a one bedroom now would be over 10 million. And there again, depending upon its location and how high it is, the prices change. So I'll leave some contact information of the Ayala Land real estate agent that I talked to, Jules. Did a very good job, was very knowledgeable. And you do get a parking spot, and you get your split type aircon included in the units. They have the Zen units with the bathtubs. They have the custom units with the showers. Of course, once you get it, you can do what you want with it within reason. I've been told that they are not going to allow the short-term Airbnb rentals here, and that's an issue in many cities around the world. Short-term visitors come in and party and trash and make noise, so they will be limited. Rentals will be limited to at least a 6-month lease, is what I've been told.
Yeah.
Because there's a really small difference, and you have each unit has a balcony.
Yeah, 14 to 15 million
Yes.
with the huge balcony. Yeah, not much difference.
And the parking is already included.
Right. Yeah, good
With
point.
the space, it's really worth it.
So here's a look at the building being built from Park Point, a one bedroom that we were looking at in Park Point. I'll do another video about that later. And let's see, the 2-bedroom we were looking at, about 135 square meters, or about 1,453 square feet. This is a premier project by Ayala Land, and it is very conveniently connected right into the mall there. As is Park Point, when we left Park Point, we came out on the 4th level of Ayala Mall, right there by the terraces. So very convenient. You have security at all entrances, so that is good. 10 million pesos is about 200,000 US dollars today. That's based on 50 pesos to the US dollar. That can fluctuate. When I came here in 2015, it was 45.5 pesos to the US dollar, and here in the last year, it has been up to 54 pesos to the US dollar. So that will affect your actual cost, depending upon what country and what the ratio is to your currency. And here we are standing by the Ayala Premier Land offices across the terraces. And Ayala mall kind of goes around us. There's several restaurants on either side of us and on up the different stories there. So that's what you have. And anyway, thank you for watching. Please like the video. Please share the video. Please subscribe. Safe travels to you all wherever you're at, and I'll see you next time.